Hello, boys and girls. In this activity, we are going to sort the pictures into different categories based on the sound they make. Words that begin with the f sound go over here because they begin with the letter F. Words that begin with the L sound go over here because they begin with the letter R. Let's look at the first picture.
Feather.
Does feather start with an F or an O? Let's say that. Ready? Feather. Feather begins with the F sound. Let's listen to the next one.
Rocket.
Does rocket begin with a L or an F? Rocket begins with a L sound, so it goes over in the R category.
Rug.
Rug. Does rug begin with the F sound or the O sound? Rug begins with the O sound. It goes in the R. And here's the last one.
Fast.
Fast. Everyone say that. Ready? Fast. Does fast begin with the F or the O? It begins with the F. It goes over here. Let's check this.
Good job.
Great work. Here's another one.
Reindeer.
Reindeer. Does it begin with a F or an O? It begins with the O sound, reindeer. Here's another one.
Rope.
Rope. Does rope begin with a F or an O? Rope begins with the O sound. It goes right over there. Listen to this one.
5.
5. Everyone say that. Ready?
5.
Does 5 begin with a F or an O? It begins with the F sound, the letter F sound. And here is the last one in this section.
Feet.
Feet. Does feet begin with a F or an O? Feet begins with the F sound. It goes right over there. Let's check this.
Great job.
Good work. Here is some more.
Rabbit.
Rabbit. What does rabbit begin with? The F or the R? Rabbit begins with the O sound, so it begins with an R. Listen to this one.
Reed.
Read. Say that with me. Ready? Read. Does read begin with an F or an R? It begins with the R sound, so it begins with the R, the R. Read. What about this word?
Fox.
Fox. Does fox begin with the F or the R? The beginning sound of fox is F, so it begins with an F sound. What about this last one?
Fish.
Fish. Does fish begin with a F or an R? Fish begins with the F sound.
Great job.
Here is the last one for today. Listen to them.
Father.
Father. Say that with me. Ready?
Father.
Does father begin with a F or a R? Father begins with the F sound.
Red.
Red. Does red begin with an F or an R? Red begins with the R sound, so it begins with the R. Listen to this next one.
Fly.
Say that with me. Ready?
Fly.
Fly. Does fly begin with an F or an R? Fly begins with the F sound, which is what the letter F makes. Listen to this last one.
Raccoon.
Raccoon. Does raccoon begin with an F or an R? Raccoon begins with the R sound that the letter R makes. Let's check these.
Excellent work.
Good job. We got 16 of them correct, and you didn't miss any. You did a wonderful job. Thank you for doing this activity with me today. Have a great day.